In this learning video, we are going to be looking at metaphors. Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that is used to make a comparison between two things that aren't alike but do have something in common. Example: Alice is her father's star. Remember, a metaphor does not include like or as. Tip: you can remember the difference between similes and metaphors by remembering that simile has the letter L in it, just like the word like, which you would often use in a simile. Here are a few examples. Life is a journey. Anna has a heart of gold. You are my sunshine. Jillian is a scaredy cat. Can you think of any other metaphor? Comment down below. Hope you have understood the topic metaphor. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family.